Hey guys, the foldable devices are going to be way better day by day. Now almost every company are joining this foldable device party and Samsung is the first one. Now Samsung is looking to expand its foldable lineup in a mid-range. According to market analyst Frame 10 Force, citing supplier chain source say that the device is planning for a 2024 release. This device will be support help democratize foldable technology, but for that to happen it need a low hand price. So how much will be Samsung mid-range foldable phone cost? According to review guns on Twitter, Samsung has set a price target for its mid-range foldable of $400 to $500. Even after according for VAT, Europeans are likely looking at a €650 foldable. This is still a amazing price. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 starting at just under €800. The Galaxy A54, a non-foldable phone, was released for $450, while the Galaxy S23 FE debuted for $600 to meet the sub-500 pricing range. The mid-range foldable phone would be like Huawei make a significant compromise in terms of specification compared to Galaxy S23 FE. So what's the name the upcoming Galaxy foldable device? Maybe it's come with Galaxy Z Fold 5 FE and Flip 5 FE. So that's all about the Galaxy upcoming foldable device. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.